Let's see how we can fix the broken links on our website with SEMrush. This tool will help us easily and quickly find those links that are not working on our site. Once we've accessed the web that interests us, we want to look at the errors. In this case, we see there are 625, and since the last time we fixed 23. Clicking here, we can access the screen that tells us what kind of links are broken. In this case, we'll look. Here we see we have 16 broken external links. Since the last time they did the review, there are 2 more links. Let's look at these, the broken external links. It works exactly the same with all the others. On this screen, it tells us what error code each link gives. When it was detected, that specific URL error is highlighted here. From that error within Rust, we can take immediate action and work directly by clicking on a designated link here. This will open another new tab that seamlessly goes to our website. All we have to do is find this problematic link, correct it on our website platform, and once that's done, the problem will be solved. Simply locating and fixing it in this manner ensures the error is resolved efficiently. If we do not want to engage and work directly with the SEMrush system, there is always the alternative option to export the document in PDF format or choose another kind of file, such as Excel spreadsheet or CSV. This method allows us the flexibility to work from our personal computer rather than working directly within the SEMrush interface. Doing it this way, we gain better control, have more oversight, and can clearly identify which links we have successfully fixed and which ones remain unresolved. It's as simple as implementing this straightforward process. And there's nothing more to do. With this, you can now start fixing the links on your website.